The road is like amazing right now. Oh my god.
Properly doused.
So look at that shot. So, the other day Google sent me the new, actually they sent both me and Mike the new Google Pixel 5. I'm keen to see what the camera is like on this. So we're going to be going out, it's like just outside of the city, but there's some cool sort of street vibe, street photography locations around there. I'm going to be doing the exact same route as Mike tonight, but he's going to be using
85 1.4, the new one as well from Sigma.
Yeah, I'm keen to see what sort of photos I can get on this because I know they've just released the night sight, which is like their night mode equivalent, but it's got the wide angle lens in that option. So I'm keen to try that out. So if you want to see Mike's photos on the 85, go watch his video. It's dropping at the exact same time as this.
And also I'm giving away an 85mm on my video.
Yeah.
So go check that out if you want to win it.
All right, let's test this out. We got this nice light over there, 2x zoom. I was just thinking, even here looks cool, like a reflection on the car. You gotta like flip it upside down sometimes, it helps. Is there like a portrait mode? Yeah, there is. I don't know. Alright, Mike's over there. 85mm.
85, you on the Pixel?
Pixel 5.
Sweet.
And we're going to be walking the same route. I see this little puddle here. A little puddle. Okay, I'm going to try portrait mode maybe. Focus it on the ground. That's fucking awesome. Let's try the night sight. Wide angle. Alright, let's just take a simple photo of this. Let's see what it does. Ready? I'm interested in seeing if it does a long exposure. I'm noticing it's a bit grainy, but we got a tram coming down there. I'll try to shoot that. Let's see what that does. It's not really a long exposure, is it? Oh, there's too many cars. I don't want to risk it. I'll wait for all these cars and then I'll take a shot. Yeah, like now. Let's go. Wide angle. Actually, nah. We'll go one time. Alright. Pretty fucking cool, if I don't say so myself. Alright, I've lost Mike. I don't know where he is. Oh, he's over there. Well, we gotta run. No, there's traffic coming. Whoa. Oh, that is a sick car. Let's test out the bokeh that we can get on this. We'll go portrait mode, focus it on that. Let's wait for some cars to go by. Oh, it's probably a shit one to try it on. No, it was just a shit photo by me. What else can we see? Oh, I see a nice reflection off here. Let's go the wider one. How about night sight wide angle? Actually, no, you want a bit of depth on this shot. What if we take it back here a bit? Nice. Oh, look at that puddle. That is a fucking cool puddle if I've ever seen one. Getting any good shots?
Yeah, I am actually.
Oh, bro, this is a sick shot.
How fucking good is it?
What? Any cars? Tough crowd. Bro. That's so shit. I want to try this on one more time.
I think some of them are pretty cool.
I just want to get like a look up shot here. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that took so long for. Okay, yeah. I think it was trying to do astrophotography. Because this camera's got like astrophotography mode. I think it automatically activated it. Even here's just a nice shot. Just go normal camera. 2 times. Try shoot with this. This would actually be a really nice long exposure. I don't know if you can do long exposures on this though. Probably should have done more research. We'll try it. There's a nice tram there. We could try to do a long exposure with that. Actually, I can't be fucked. Actually, why not? No, it's not long enough. It's so weird. I've literally just got my phone. I don't have a camera bag. I've literally just left the house with my phone. It feels so good, so light. I don't feel like I've got to carry anything. Even here's just a nice empty shot of all the street. 2 times zoom. There's a car. The tip that you can do is rotate your phone upside down so you can get closer to the actual floor. And I'm in the middle of the road and there's a car. I want to try this one on portrait mode. What's up? Fair enough. Each to their own. Maybe he was a fan of the Google Pixel. Yeah, it's a nice shot. Let's see if the night mode works down a dark alleyway. Yeah, ready? Oh wow, that's actually great. Oh, dude, can you sit on the edge of that? Sick. Try to stay still if you can. Yeah, hold there. Yeah. What?
As if it's a fucking phone.
I know.
So effortless.
Ooh. Hello. 2 times zoom. Get down. Oops. I think I just figured out how to do a long exposure. This is a really cool building. How can I shoot it? Maybe like wide angle? Yeah. Or I reckon a model here. If there was a model here like wide angle. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's sick. What about night sight? Wide angle. This is a really cool composition here. I still can't believe I'm taking photos on a phone. Yeah, I want to get some bokeh. Let's see if it works. Barbed wire. I don't know if it will focus on the barbed wire. No, that didn't work. The portrait mode thing. Like surely it would focus on the fence here. Who knows? Yeah, it didn't really work on the fence, but whatever. I think there's a little gap in the freeway here. What does it look like wide? Wide angle is pretty nice. Okay, I think it's trying to do some weird shit. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Look at that rain. Surely we can get some bokeh here. Alright, did we get it? Sort of. It's a bit weird. Oi, Mike. Can you just like walk across? Yep. We'll see if it worked. Oh yeah, nice. Sort of. Bit blurry, but good enough. Check out all that sort of grunginess there. Far out, how long do I have to hold it for? Oh, it's pretty good quality. Fuck me, for a phone. That's the thing, you gotta keep reminding myself that this is a phone. Ooh, look at that. I like all the textures and the lighting that's coming from that orange light up there. I like how it's creating all that orange shadows on this bluestone over here. I don't really know what I'm shooting in these videos. I just sort of walk around, see what catches my attention, but I don't know, not every photo is going to be a banger, but you just take 100 photos to get like a couple bangers. That's usually how it works. Oh, it's cool lighting there.
Jealous of actually. You can shoot lookups, I can't.
Dude, I've got like 3 different lenses though. I've got the wide, I've got a normal.
Yeah, that's
like,
actually sick. That reminds me of New York.
Yeah, I'll compose it better, but oh, that is an amazing shot. We got the zoomed in version of it. And there's traffic behind me. That is a reflection if I've ever seen one. We just gotta wait for someone to walk there. Check this out. This is the difference between the zoom lens and then the wide angle. Ready? Boom. Look at that difference. Zoom, wide angle. Got a portrait shot of this dude. Oh, he's gone. There's no way that worked. Yeah. I get a lot of questions asking if these photos that I take during these shoots are like raw or edited, and they're all edited using my Lightroom presets, so I'll link them in the description below. Oh, look at this shot. This will be a sick shot. Wide angle maybe. But yeah. So I mainly use the presets from my V2 pack, which is the newest one, but there's also the V1. But yeah, the V2 comes with like 25 of my presets, or you can get the combo pack with Mike's presets as well. Stand just in that doorway. Yeah, and just sort of look to your right, a bit more in the shadow. Sick. Oh, look at that light behind the trees there. Can we get a nice detailed portrait shot? Oh, fuck, that is sick. Portrait mode actually works. I always like to look for shadows as well sometimes, like especially at night. I see these long shadows here. Okay, that is... Oh, that's a long exposure. Okay. You gotta hold really still, and that's how you're gonna get the best results with that night mode, I think. Alright, it's just started raining again, and we're getting all this sort of like misty rain. Let's see if we can try and capture it. Yeah. Let's see if I got it. Oh yes, now it is properly raining. Fuck yeah. This is what you want. Oh my god, look at that.
We're both standing side by side, taking the same photo. We both saw it, we're like, yes.
It is that wet right now. Wow. Oh my. I don't even know if this phone's waterproof. I hope it is. If not, I'm sorry, Google. That is just asking to be shot. Oh yes, check this shot out. Ready? Who knows? Maybe the camera. Oh, it's probably because the camera's a bit wet. Oh well, we'll try. I reckon. Oh, look at the road. The road is like amazing right now. Oh my god.
Properly doused.
Dude, look at that shot.
I need to go way further.
This is why you shoot in the rain. See all that reflection you get? It just makes the photo like 100 times better. But no one shoots in the rain because they don't want to get wet. So that's why you don't see as many rainy shots.
It's true.
Yeah, no one wants to get wet.
Yeah, everyone's like, fuck that.
I feel sorry for you, bro.
Oh, bro.
Fuck.
Whatever. I'm such an idiot. I could have put my rain jacket in my bag. I just left it in the car.
That's alright.
Doesn't matter.
Oh yes, there's a fucking tram going over. Tram going over. Oh, bro. Oh. Yes. Oh my god. That is a fucking shot. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, on a
Wait.
phone.
Does that have a filter on it?
No, that's just raw.
Are you kidding me?
From the phone. Yeah, holy shit.
Unbelievable.
Dude, this wetness on the ground is actually like a godsend. Yeah. I just love how you can have a wide angle, medium and like a zoom lens when you're taking photos with like a phone. Like you don't need to waste time changing lenses. You can literally just like swap. Alright, we've seen another like empty street. This is like an amazing view of Melbourne, which I've never even shot from this side of the city before. Yeah, bro. 105 mil here. Mandatory post-shoot feed, but this time we've got sushi. Teriyaki mushroom. What do you got?
Oh, hot chocky.
Nice hot chocky. Alright, ready? I'm not going to fuck this up. Oh no, I already fucked it. It's like taking a chick's bra off. It's like impossible. 2.
Yeah, but I know it can go
Mmm.
Go an S-log.